INFJs don't just feel emotions, we absorb them, often becoming the emotional emergency contact for everyone around us. But when we're the ones falling apart, there's often silence. This is the unseen INFJ struggle. If you walk into a room and instantly sense tension or get emotionally exhausted just being around certain people, this video is for you. I'm Lisa Nar, an INFJ and author, and I understand what it feels like to carry more than I speak. We're diving into why our empathy can feel like a superpower one day and a curse the next, and how to protect our peace. Living with deep empathy isn't just emotional, it's physically draining. We often carry guilt that isn't ours and fix problems not meant for us. We walk out of conversations feeling like we ran a marathon, yet we make it look effortless, often saying, "I'm fine," with a smile. But what we truly mean is, I'm overwhelmed, exhausted, and I feel everything too deeply. INFJ empathy burnout doesn't always look dramatic. It can manifest as canceling plans, shutting down during conversations, or feeling constantly tired. Sometimes it shows up as resentment, noticing everyone comes to you, but no one asks about you, making you feel invisible. Here's what helped me. First, say this out loud: not every emotion I feel belongs to me. If you're an INFJ, you've likely been carrying tension, pain, and sadness that was never yours. Practice asking, is this mine or did I absorb it? If it's not yours, release it. You're not cold for setting that boundary. You're being healthy. Next, you have to express it. If talking isn't an option, write it out. Journaling helps organize those layers of emotion. You don't need fancy language, just truth. Start with, what have I been carrying that I haven't said out loud? INFJ healing begins the moment your inner world is witnessed, even if only by you. Now, the scary part, asking for help. Vulnerability hangovers are real, but think how you feel when someone trusts you with their truth. You feel honored, closer, protective. Let someone else feel that about you. Start small. Hey, I've been holding something heavy lately. Can I talk to you about it? That one sentence can open doors. INFJs don't recharge from a nap. We recharge from silencing emotional noise. Solitude is sacred. Find your version of quiet. It's not about escape. It's about finally hearing your own voice again. You're not doing too much if a party overwhelms you, or antisocial if you need to leave early. Your nervous system is wired to notice everything: noise, expressions, subtext, energy shifts. It adds up. Don't feel guilty for protecting your peace. You weren't made to constantly absorb. You were made to transform. Say it with me: I'm not fine, and that's okay. Being honest about your limits isn't weakness, it's leadership. It teaches others how to treat you and models that healing begins where performance ends. Your needs matter, too. If this resonated, Chapter 3 of the 2 a.m. Code dives deeper into protecting your mind, body, and boundaries as an empath. Grab your copy, linked in the description. And comment below, what have you been carrying silently that you're ready to name out loud? This is a safe space. INFJ or not, if you feel deeply, you belong here. INFJ doesn't mean fragile, it means aware. You weren't made to hold the world on your back, but to change it, not at the cost of yourself. If this helped, watch Why INFJs Disappear, The Doors Slam, Burnout, and Boundaries next. You'll feel seen. I'll see you there.